So good day everyone, my name is Johnny J. Sultan. So today I'll be discussing about voting plurality with elimination method of voting. So what is plurality with elimination method? The plurality with elimination method, also known as instant runoff voting or RRV, or the pair method is ranked choice voting system. Voters is a ranked choice voting system. The voters rank candidate in order of preference. If no candidate receives a majority more than 50% of first choice votes, the candidate with the fewest vote is eliminated. Vote for the eliminated candidate are distributed to the next preferred choice votes ballots. This process repeats until candidate secures a majority. So this is the key points. The plurality with elimination method is also called as instant runoff voting, and it eliminates the candidates with the fewest first choice votes until the candidate majority of first choice votes. So this is the example. So the example of this is the classroom president. So this is the A, B, and C. This is the candidates who are nominated for the classroom president. And these numbers are the voters of the student. So first, we get the total of the student votes. So there's 12 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 and plus 3. So the total of this is equals to 46. To get the majority, we need to divide it into 2. So 46 divided into 2 is equals to 23. So the majority is 23. So now let's proceed to the vote, the A, B, and C. So for A, we need to name that A, B, and C. So A is for Anna, B is for Ben, and C is for Carl. So this is the first vote. So Anna received 12 Anna and Anna plus 3. Ben received 9 and 4. So 9 plus 4. And Carl received 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. So equals to Anna gets 15 votes, Ben gets 13, Carl gets 18. So no one gets the majority points, which is the 23. The majority points is 23, so no one can get it. And the fewest vote is Ben. So Ben got 13, so Ben is eliminated. So to get the distributed to get the vote to the next person, Ben and Carl. So the vote of Ben goes to Carl, and vote of Ben and 4 goes to Anna. So Anna and Carl. Anna gets 12 plus 3 plus 4. Ben got 10 plus 8 plus 9. So equals to 19 and 27. So Carl got 27 of the total votes of the second round. So Carl is the first, and he is the classroom president. So now let's proceed to the word bravo. A class is voting for their school representative for Miss Intramurals among the four candidates, which is Gwen for G, Hershey for H, Aubrey for A, and Nicole for N. Who do you think the class representative? And the total vote is 60. So this is the total votes. So first, we need to make a table. This is the number of votes and candidate round. So, in the first, there are 20 students, both Gwen first. This is first round, second, third, and fourth. 20 students vote for Gwen, and followed by Hershey. Next, Aubrey. Next, and last, Nicole. So, and there's 18 students vote for Hershey first, followed by Aubrey, Nicole, and Gwen. There's student vote, 12 student vote for Aubrey, followed by Nicole, Gwen, and Hershey. Next, 10 student vote for Nicole first, followed by Gwen, Hershey, and Aubrey. So this is Hershey, Gwen, Nicole, and Aubrey. First, we get the total of the, if it's 60 students. So 20 plus 18 plus 12 plus 10. 20 plus 18 plus 12 plus 10. So it equals to 60. That's exactly correct. Next, we get to the majority, which is 260 divided by 2. So equals to 30. So the majority is 30. So first, we get the total. Gwen got 820. Hershey got 18. Aubrey got 12. And Nicole got 10. So the fewest vote goes to Nicole, so Nicole will be eliminated in the first round. So if you see that Nicole is here, she will be eliminated and move out to the next person. So the next table is Gwen, Hershey, Aubrey, next to Gwen, then next to Hershey, Aubrey, Gwen, and Gwen. Next to Aubrey, Gwen, Hershey, and Aubrey. So next, let's get the back. Hershey received 18. Next, Gwen received 20 plus 10. And Aubrey received 12. So total, Hershey got 18 and Gwen got 13. So the winner of this class representative is Gwen, because Gwen has the majority vote, which is 30. So next, let's proceed to the next word problem. The Math Lab of the University of Mindanao is electing its new president using the plurality with elimination method. In this voting system, each student ranked the candidates in order of preference. A total of 500 students participated in election. So now, let's make a table. Number of students, number of votes, and also rank. So there's 180 in the first round, 180. Next, 150. Next, 90. Next, 50. Next, 30. So, in the first round, Ryan got the first choice. Ryan, followed by Sophie, Emily, and Jake. First, second, third, and fourth. In the second, 150 student voted for Sophie first, followed by Emily, Jake, and last, Ryan. Next, 90 student first, Emily, second, Jake, followed by Ryan, and last, for 50 student votes, Jake first, Ryan second, Sophie for third, and Emily for fourth. For the third student, votes for Sophie first, Emily, followed by Jake, and last, Ryan. So in the first choice, we need to total it. So Ryan's for power, followed by Sophie, Emily, and Jake. Ryan got 180. So we got 150. Emily got 90. And Jake got 50. And also Sophie got 30. To get the majority, we need to divide it into 2. So there's 500 students participated in the election. So we divide it into 2. So there's 250. And the majority is 250. Ryan got 180. So we got 180. Emily got 90. And Jake got 50. So next, the eliminated of this first round will be the fewest vote. So the fewest is Jake. Jake will be eliminated. So we need to make another table. So this is the number of students. And also the first, second, third because third round. Because Jake is eliminated. So first, Ryan, Sophie, Emily. Jake is eliminated, but the next person is Emily. So this is the next table. So next we need to sum it again. First, this is for Ryan, Sophie, and Emily. Ryan received 180. Sophie received 150. plus 30, and Emily received 90 plus 50. So this is, we need to total it. So we got 180 and Emily got 140. And no one got into the 250 majority vote. So we will be next eliminated. So Emily is the fewest votes and Emily got eliminated. Emily got eliminated, 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 eliminated. So next is next person. Next person is Ryan, Sophie, Ryan, and Ryan. So now let's rank it. So first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. So Jake is the first eliminated, so Jake is the fourth place. Jake. Third place is Emily because she is the next eliminated. So now let's proceed to the who's the winner in this math club festival. Majority is 50. This is the majority. So Ryan and Sophie. Ryan got 180 and 90 plus 90. So we got 150 and plus 50 plus 30. So we got 230 and Ryan got 270. So Ryan is more than the majority is 250, so Ryan will be the winner. And Sophie is the second winner. So next, let's proceed to the last word problem. In Barangay of Malaya, there are 4 candidates, Aling Rosa, Mang Palyo, Kuya Berto, and Ate Liza, are running for Barangay Captain. The resident used the plurality with elimination method to ensure the winner has a majority support. Each voter ranks the candidates from first choice to last choice. So there's 600 residents. So to get the majority, we need to divide it into 2. So 600 divided into 2 equals to 300. So the majority is 300. So now let's make a table. Number of votes and row of the candidate. So there's 180 votes. Second, 120. Next, 110 votes. Next, 90. Next, 60. And last, 40. Allen Rosa. So first, we need to shorten their name. Allen Rosa for R, Ma'am Tonyo for P, Ate Liza for L, and Kuya Berto for B. So first, second, third, and fourth. So now, in the first round, Aling Rosa got first, followed by Mang Tonyo, and Ate Liza, and Kuya Bert. In the 120 voters, Mang Tonyo is the first, followed by Ate Liza, next Kuya Berto, and last Aling Rosa. In 110 voters, Kuya Berto is the first, followed by Ate Liza, followed by Aling Rosa, followed by Ma'am Tonyo. So in the 90 voters, Ate Liza got the first, second Kuya Berto, third Aling Rosa, fourth Ma'am Tonyo. In 60 voters, there's Kuya Berto first, followed by Ate Liza, Ma'am Rosa, and Ma'am Tonyo. Next, Ate Liza first, Kuya Berto, Aling Rosa, and Ma'am Tonyo. So, second Ate Liza, third Rosa, Aling Rosa, and fourth Ma'am Tonyo. So next, Ate Liza, Kuya Berto, Aling Rosa, and Ma'am Tonyo. So in the first round, we need to calculate it. Aling Rosa, Ma'am Tonyo, Kuya Berto, and Ate Liza. So Aling Rosa received 180 votes. Ma'am Tonyo received 120 votes. Kuya Berto received 110 and plus 60. Next, Ate Liza received 90 plus 40. So the total of 180 for Aling Rosa, Ma'am Tonyo is 120, and Kuya Berto is 170, and Ate Liza is 130. Got 130 votes. So the fewest votes is Ma'am Tonyo. So Ma'am Tonyo will be eliminated. So the next person to Ma'am Tonyo will be Ate Liza and Ate. So now let's move. So Aling Rosa, Kuya Berto, and Ate Liza. First place. So now in the second round. So in the second round, Aling Rosa is always the same 180. Adeliza got 120 plus 90 plus 40. And Kuya Berto got 110 plus 60 was to 170 was to 10. So no one got the 300 majority. The majority 800. So next, the fewest is Kuya Berto. So Kuya Berto will be eliminated. So, Kuya Berto has the third place. So now let's proceed to the last part. Aling Rosa and Aling Liza. Aling Liza received, Aling Rosa received 180. Aling Liza received 120 plus 110 plus 90 plus 60 plus 40. So, the total of So Adeliza got 420 votes. So the majority is 300 and Adeliza is over than 300 majority. So the second placer is Aling Rosa. And the winner for the barangay captain is Adeliza. So who is the eliminated first in the first round? So the eliminated in the first round is Mang Tonyo. And second question, after eliminating the lowest candidate, how are the votes redistributed? It's redistributed by the follow to the next person who's eliminated first. And who wins the election with a majority. So the winner of the election will be Adeliza, have 420 votes and the majority is 300. And that's all.